Welcome to Crypto Hustle Exchange. If this is the first time coming across my channel, do well to like, subscribe and turn on the bell notification and drop a nice comment. Don't forget to share this important update to your loved ones so that they can follow us and be eating money, chopping money daily, making profit. This exchange is KuCoin. If you haven't registered on KuCoin, the link will be under the description. Use the link. Both my referral code will be on the description. Do well to use it to sign up and pass your KYC. Know your customer. On today's, we'll be talking about arbitrage, buying and selling and get your profits. You'll be making 200 to 500,000 daily based on your capital. You can even make $1,000 a day based on your capital. Before we jump right to the video, if you want to be on my VIP class, my VIP mentorship, I'll be mentoring you. I'll be giving you all the coins, and if you don't know anything about it, I'll still guide you through. I'll be giving you the coins you will buy and sell immediately, not the one you hold, and sell immediately, and be doing it as arbitrage. Be turning it up and be getting your profit. Today coin will first of all buy Bitcoin. I'll buy Bitcoin. Look at Bitcoin and USDT. This is Bitcoin and USDT. Okay, so if your own is not showing, what you will do is to tap on Bitcoin and USDT. Look at it here. Look at my here. Okay, or you tap this search button. You tap on it. You search for BTC. You now see it here. BTC. You now tap on BTC. For today, I'll be buying, assuming I'm buying BTC worth of $1,000. See the amount of BTC I'll be having. So I'll buy BTC. When I buy BTC, I'll still tap on this search button. This BTC and USDT, I'll tap on it. I will search for FX. Okay, FX BTC. Got it here. FSBTC. This one. FSBTC. This one. Let me mark it again so that you will see it. This one. Let me mark it. FXBTC. So You will tap on it. Remember, we have bought Bitcoin, so the amount of Bitcoin we use it to buy this FX. Okay, I'll type the amount of BTC I bought. Look at the amount of BTC I bought. This one. This is the amount I bought, and this is the FX token I'm having. So I'm going to sell this FSM token. And remember, we used $1,000 to buy Bitcoin, and we use the Bitcoin to buy this FX token. So we are going to sell this FS token to USDT. Are you getting me? So let us go. So I'll now copy. I'll now go to this search button again. This search button. I will type FX. Okay, FSUSDT. Look at it here. FSUSDT. FXUSDT is what I'll be typing. Is what I will tap. So I'll go to sell. Look at sell here. This is sell. This is sell. And this is buy. So we are selling. I will type the amount of FSN we bought here and know how many USDT we are going to get. I'll tap on sell. This is the amount. Wow, what a crazy profit. Okay, look at what we are having now. Just look at what we are having now. With 1,000 USDT, we are having $1,036.72. Okay, imagine you are doing this before the market change. You are doing this because if you sign to my VIP, I'll be showing you, I'll be guiding you through. You'll be getting $36. Okay, imagine you do this more than 5 or 6 times a day, or if the opportunity is more than 2 days, you do it for 2 days, often and often 2 days. Do you know how much you'll be making? Do you know how much you'll be making daily? Look at just now. See, look at our profit. Just look at our profit. $36. Gas fee is not up to $1. It's not even up to 50 cents. I should just call it 50 cents. It's not up to $1. It's not up to 0.6 cents. It's not up to 0.5 cents. This is the money you'll be making per trade. If you are turning this, you do this, you sell to USDT, use this USDT and buy Bitcoin. I use this Bitcoin and buy this FS. So I don't know the time you are watching this video. Okay, the price might change. Okay, the price might change. I don't know the time you are watching this video. So for you to be cashing out, the most important thing is your capital. The most important thing is your capital. If you have capital, you'll be making crazy money. Okay, if you use $100, you can start with $100. Yes, At least you'll be getting, you divide $36, divide by 10, $36. Let us go to our calculator. $36, $36, $36, $36 divide by 10. You'll be making, if it is $100, you'll be making $3.6, $3.6. You'll be turning it up. If you make it to 20 times, you know how much is it? It's almost $70 something or $60 something. So that is it. So it's for you to choose, it's for you not to choose. So you will see my WhatsApp group link. I also drop my contacts on the screen. You can contact me on WhatsApp. Don't let anyone deceive you. Just contact this number you will be seeing on the screen. Chat me up if you want my mentorship. I will be there for you always. Be giving you the coins, you will be buying and be turning it up. This is not by buying coin and hold it. No. So please don't forget to drop a nice comment and like. This is where we stop. Like, comment and share. Thank you.